Toss-up 1. Life science, multiple choice. What is the name for the microscopic pores on the surface of leaves and stems in plants through which gas exchange occurs? W. Steel. X. Phloem. Y. Cambium. Z. Stomata. Answer. Z. Stomata. Bonus 1. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is not true of sister chromatids? W. They are connected by centromeres. X. They are identical. Y. They are diploid. Z. They contain different alleles. Answer. Z. They contain different alleles. Toss-up 2. Math, short answer. What is 83 minus 19 plus 17? Answer, 81. Bonus 2. Math, short answer. A triangle has two exterior angles that have degree measures of 115 and 120, respectively. What is the degree measure of their common remote interior angle? Answer, 55. Toss-up 3. Life science, multiple choice. The breakdown of molecules to obtain energy is which of the following? W. Catabolism. X. Anabolism. Y. Respiration. Z. Transpiration. Answer. W. Catabolism. Bonus 3. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following human diseases is dominant? W. Red-green color blindness. X. Cystic fibrosis. Y. Hemophilia. Z. Huntington's disease. Answer. Z. Huntington's disease. Toss-up 4. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following types of rocks typically exhibit stratification? W. Igneous. X. Metamorphic. Y. Sedimentary. Z. Biological. Answer. Y. Sedimentary. Bonus 4. Earth and space, multiple choice. What is the term for small distinctive groups of stars within constellations? W. Asterisms. X. Clusters. Y. Bands. Z. Cliques. Answer. W. Asterisms. Toss-up, 5. Physical science, multiple choice. For which of the following molecules would elemental analysis give you the molecular formula? W. C3H6O9. X. SiO2. Y. C6H14. Z. H808. Answer. X. SiO2. Bonus, 5. Physical science, short answer. Rank the following 3 isotopes from least to greatest in terms of their numbers of neutrons. 1. Carbon 14, 2. Nitrogen 14, 3. Oxygen 18. Answer, 2, 1, 3. Toss-up, 6. Energy, multiple choice. What role is fission-based nuclear power used for in the energy production and distribution grid? W. Baseload. X. Peak. Y. Arbitrage. Z. Peak shaving. Answer. W. Baseload. Bonus, 6. Energy, short answer. Increasing the amount of thermal energy contained in an object also increases what quantifiable property of the object? Answer. Temperature. Toss-up, 7. Math, short answer. Simplify the following expression, a to the 7th power times a to the 5th power. Answer, a to the power of 12. Bonus, 7. Math, short answer. At the start of school, Jack scored 63 on his pretest. At the end of the first week, he scored 68 on his post-test. Rounded to the nearest 0.1%, what is his percent increase? Answer, 7.9. Toss-up, 8. Energy, multiple choice. In which of the following states would you not expect to find a coal mine? W. Nevada. X. Illinois. Y. Louisiana. Z. North Dakota. Answer. W. Nevada. Bonus, 8. Energy, multiple choice. Coal is primarily used to generate electricity. Which of the following is the second largest use of coal? W. Heating homes. X. Running factories. Y. Fueling trains. Z. Smelting and steelmaking. Answer. Z. Smelting and steelmaking. Toss-up, 9. Physical science, multiple choice. If the temperature of a gaseous medium through which a sound wave passes is decreased, what will happen to the speed of the wave? W. It will increase. X. It will decrease. Y. It will remain the same. Z. It will fluctuate. Answer. X. It will decrease. Bonus 9. Physical science, short answer. Identify all of the following three quantities that, when changed, would affect the period of a pendulum. 1. Mass of the bob. 2. Density of the bob. 3. Length of the string. Answer 3. Toss-up 10. Math, short answer. What is the area of a right triangle with legs of length 4 and 7? Answer 14. Bonus 10. Math, short answer. A cell phone plan costs a fixed rate per month plus a charge per text message. 1 month, Sarah had 200 texts and her total bill was $34. The next month, she had 500 texts and her total bill was $52. In dollars, what is the fixed rate per month? Answer 22. Toss-up 11. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is a protein? W. Triglycerides. X. Myoglobin. Y. Uracil. Z. Ribose. Answer. X. Myoglobin. Bonus 11. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is not an ectotherm? W. Otter. X. Goldfish. Y. Turtle. Z. Beetle. Answer. W. Otter. Toss-up 12. Earth and space, multiple choice. The temperature of a body of water influences which of the following? W. The temperature of the air above it. X. The formation of deserts. Y. Global climate change. Z. Salt concentration. Answer. W. The temperature of the air above it. Bonus 12. Earth and space, short answer. ENSO is an acronym for an irregular periodical variation in sea surface temperatures and winds in the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. What does ENSO stand for? Answer. El Niño Southern Oscillation. Toss-up 13. Physical science, short answer. An alpha particle is the nucleus of an atom of what element? Answer: helium. Bonus 13. Physical science, multiple choice. What is the SI-derived unit used to express power? W. Joule. X. Erg. Y. Watt. Z. Newton. Answer: Y. Watt. Toss-up 14. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following cells can be described as totipotent? W. iPS cell. X. Bone marrow cell. Y. Fibroblast stem cell. Z. Zygote. Answer: Z. Zygote. Bonus 14. Life science, multiple choice. In which of the following classifications is a bacteriophage? W. Monoron. X. Chordate. Y. Virus. Z. Protist. Answer: Y. Virus. Toss-up 15. Earth and space, short answer. What is the term for glacier-cut inlets that are now filled with water? Answer: fjord. Bonus 15. Earth and space, multiple choice. A comet's gas tail points in which of the following directions? W. Trailing behind its orbit. X. Leading ahead along its orbit. Y. Directly towards the Sun. Z. Directly away from the Sun. Answer: Z. Directly away from the Sun. Toss-up 16. Energy, multiple choice. Which of the following is not a form of energy? W. Petroleum. X. Nuclear. Y. Chemical. Z. Thermal. Answer: W. Petroleum. Bonus 16. Energy, short answer. Identify all of the following 4 products that can be produced from the processing and refinement of petroleum. 1. Asphalt. 2. Paraffin. 3. Kerosene. 4. Propane. Answer: all. Toss-up 17. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following is not true about magnets? W. As two magnets move apart, the repelling force increases. X. Opposite poles attract each other. Y. If you break a magnet, you have 2 new magnets. Z. Compasses are affected by magnetic fields. Answer. W. As two magnets move apart, the repelling force increases. Bonus 17. Physical science, short answer. If the speed of an object is tripled, by what factor is the kinetic energy multiplied? Answer. 9. Toss-up 18. Math, short answer. Find the value of the following expression, open parenthesis 49 squared plus 49 close parenthesis divided by 49. Answer, 50. Bonus 18. Math, short answer. What is the slope of the line through -3, 3, and 6, -4? Answer, -7/9. Toss-up 19. Physical science, short answer. Over some period of time, a radioactive isotope decays until only 1/8 of the original element is present. How many half-lives pass during this time period? Answer, 3. Bonus 19. Physical science, multiple choice. What physical quantity can be defined as the sum of all the possible microstates of a system? W. Free energy. X. Enthalpy. Y. Entropy. Z. Heat. Answer. Y. Entropy. Toss-up 20. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following types of stars has the weakest hydrogen Balmer lines? W. A. X. F. Y. G. Z. B. Answer. Y. G. Bonus 20. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following components of the interstellar medium is typically the least dense? W. Hi clouds. X. Molecular clouds. Y. Coronal gas. Z. Intercloud medium. Answer. Y. Coronal gas. Toss-up 21. Life science, short answer. Microtubules and microfilaments make up what cellular structure in eukaryotes? Answer. Cytoskeleton. Bonus 21. Life science, short answer. If 6 molecules of CO2 and 6 molecules of H2O combine to form one glucose molecule, how many molecules of O2 are also produced? Answer, 6. Toss-up 22. Math, short answer. A triangle has two angles measuring 22 and 67 degrees, respectively. What is the degree measure of the third angle? Answer, 91. Bonus, 22. Math, short answer. Two dice are rolled. What is the probability that the product of the two numbers rolled is prime? Answer, 1 over 6. Toss-up, 23. Earth and space, short answer. Disks of gas contract to form stars via what process? Answer. Accretion. Bonus, 23. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following three rocks that are likely generated by rapid cooling of lava. 1. Obsidian, 2. Pumice, 3. Rhyolite. Answer. All of them.